Hi, it's Evelyn. Thanks so much for tuning in to my channel today. I truly appreciate it. If this is your first time tuning in, please subscribe. I want to share with you how I package your handmade hair loss products that I do sell on my Etsy shop. I use 5 different boxes to pack and ship your order. Depending on the orders that I receive, I choose different boxes depending on the order that I receive. Such as if I receive an order for one item, such as my hair growth oil, I would use this box here to package my hair growth oil. And I'll put the size of the boxes down below. The second box I use is for my sample set 1. This is a smaller box, and I use this box to package my sample set 1. The third box that I use this box to package my pure nettle oil or my scalp tonic. If I receive an order for 5 or more products, I use the UPS priority medium flat rate box. I can pack as much as I want in this box for one flat rate. So I use this box here anytime I receive an order of 5 or more products. My primary box that I ship just about 90% of all of my orders in this box here. I can fit anywhere between 3 to 4 products in this box, and the size of this box is a 9 by 10, and I get all of my boxes off of Amazon except for the UPS priority medium flat rate box. I get all of those boxes as well as my padded envelopes from USPS. So now I'm going to show you exactly what I do to package your order and ship it out to you. Okay, the first thing that I do after I have printed out my customer order slip, I gather all the products that I need to package in this box. But what I do after I have assembled this box, because they do not come assembled, you have to put the box together. I flip it over on the front. This is new to my Etsy shop. For those of you that have ordered from me, you have received your gift box with a thank you sticker on the inside of the box. What's new to my shop now, how I package, I purchased this thank you stamp, and what I like to do, take it, hold it down. I just hold it for anywhere between 3 and 5 seconds, pressing firmly, and then I lift it up and I have thank you. So this is the first thing you will see when you pull your box out of the padded envelope. After I have stamped my box with the thank you, I go ahead and start packing the inside. The first thing I like to do is to put tissue paper on the bottom. I like white tissue paper on the bottom, but I am currently out of it. So I have orange tissue paper lined in the bottom of the box, just representing fall colors. Second thing I do, I like to line each and every box with bubble wrap. So I like to put bubble wrap inside, and I tape it at the bottom of the box here so that it can stay. And I use bubble wrap to help protect your items during shipment. Third thing I do, I like to take the tissue paper, line it up in the box very neatly. So after I have put my tissue paper on the bottom, put my tissue paper on top, and then the bubble wrap, I have it layered just the way I want it to cover over the products. I hope I'm making sense. Then I know exactly what my customer has ordered. So then I will start filling the box with the items. First item is stinging nettle, and I like to place it in the corner of the box. The second is the scalp tonic, and I will place it there in the box. Next is the hair growth oil, and I like to put white white electrical tape around the bottom to prevent any leakage during shipment. And it's inside this beautiful little white sachet bag. And then I place it in the box like that. Now the scalp wipe comes with a cup and a wooden spoon to stir your product. And I place it in the box just like that. In all of my orders now until January 1st of 2020, I have enclosed a dear customer letter with every order explaining to you why I now make my own labels for my products. And I will have a video coming up explaining and sharing with you how I make my own labels. So my customer ordered the extra strength nettle hair growth oil. She ordered the stinging nettle scalp tonic, and she ordered the stinging nettle hair mask. So with every order, you will definitely get the instructions on each and every one of my products. So what I like to do, I take everything, including my customer face sheet with the items that were ordered, and I like to fold it up just like that, and I lay it on top. I would put the address, I would put her order sheet inside the box after this video. The next thing I like to do is give my customer a thank you gift. I usually give out samples of scalp tonic, hair mask, or something like that. But of lately, I have changed that up, and I'm giving out affirmation bookmarks. And this is a lovely bookmark. There's an affirmation on the front as well as on the back. And I will have a video talking about my new bookmark as a thank you gift. And I also insert a little note saying thank you for your purchase gift. And then I like to lay that inside firmly on the bottom like that. What I like to do is fold up everything, place it on top like that, fold it over, tissue paper over, make a little fold, make sure it's nice and smooth and everything is neat. Then I like to put this sticker on top which says handmade with love, and I just put it in the center. Then I take the bubble wrap, fold it over, flip it like that, and push it down in the box nice and firmly. Last thing I do is take my handwritten thank you card. I put my sticker, my logo, my face sticker to seal the envelope along with my business card. And what I like to do, I like to put it on the box, inside the box, the lid, tape it, there. So when my customer receives their box and open it up, this will be the first thing that they see. So I'm going to turn it back around, and all I do now is close the box up, and there, the package is ready. I have inserted my customer face sheet off camera, so I cut that little part out. And now all I need to do is put it in a padded envelope. Okay, here is my padded envelope. When I first started my Etsy shop, trying to get this box inside this padded envelope was a nightmare. Thank God for me watching Missouri River Soap. This lady is magnificent with, I mean, the way she packaged her orders. I've learned so much from her. But the number one thing that I learned from her is how to get this box inside this padded envelope with an ease. I struggled getting this box inside this pad. So her tip is she takes a hammer or her stapler or whatever it is that she uses. But I take this hammer, and you want to hit or bam each corner, all four corners of the box, to flatten out this edge here, because the edges of the box do not slide in well at all. So I will tap all four corners and slide the box in with ease. Okay, now that I have pressed in all four of the corners, it is easy to slide this box in with no problems whatsoever. And once I get it in, I just grab the corner of it and slide it down with no problems. And all I need to do, pull the shield, fold it down, tape her together, and voila. And all I need now, put my client address on this package, and it is ready to ship. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed how I package your handmade hair products for hair loss and ship them out to you. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.